What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Ryan the truck, back here with another video. It is Saturday. I've had a long week and it is finally time for a little vlog ski. I'm bringing you guys along with me for the rest of the day. First, we have started to paint the truck bed. I thought one can would do it, and unfortunately it has not. It's a little tiger stripey. It's also fisheyeing really bad, even though I cleaned it with dish soap, alcohol. There just must be a whole bunch of something else under there. But I plan to get this thing sprayed in the future, so I'm not really too worried about it. Also, we have taken on the project of spraying Ryan's wing. You guys can see it's coming out pretty well so far. It's got that same OEM color. He picked up a couple of different spray cans, that OEM color, base coat, clear coat. So we're finishing up. That was the last coat of actual paint, and then we'll get some clear on there. Yeah, get in there. All right, I'll be back. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see if this place has what I need. If you guys are curious, this is what I'm using, just this duplicate color paint match. Oxford white, this should do it.
530.
530 mono.
6 quarts.
Oh my goodness.
And the filter?
Sí, por favor.
Okay, the filter. Mobile or Castrol?
Mobile.
Mobile,
please.
Okay.
All right, we got the oil and our paint. We're good to go back and finish up everything now. It was nice to see Carlos and Pedro. I haven't seen them in forever since I've started the new job, but always fun to come back and see them. All right, wish me luck. Just finished up the last coat, and I think that's gonna do it. It's definitely a little bit brighter than I want, but let's go ahead. We can take off all the prep stuff and see what it looks like. See what we're working with here. It's like, nah, bro. We want all the prep materials. Also, prepping with paper towels isn't ideal, but it's what we get. All right, y'all ready to see the finished product? Here she is. It's noticeably wider, especially on camera, but compared to the blue and next to the clear tails, the white looks good. Right now I'm gonna move the truck. We're gonna get the wagon up here and do the oil change. I think another glow plug went out on the truck because it's hard starting again. It'll start, it just takes a second. Also, my cab light's grounding out somewhere because every time I touch the door or like the door frame or something, it just gives me a little shock, and the cab lights aren't working. So we'll figure that out in a minute. As for right now though, it's not long overdue, but it's time for the oil change on this hoe. Some help there, Mike. Oh, I'm doing all right, Mike. Almost there, Donnie. Almost there, Donnie. Should be good to let it down, yeah? Yeah.
Ooh.
It's hot as a bitch.
Painful.
Dude, do I dare?
Don't, bruh. Don't do it. Oh God! Oh, you're doing it to yourself, man. Let's just drain the oil first, and then let that cool down for a bit.
Yeah, you're right.
You know.
Do it.
There you go.
Put the whole thing down there now.
Hey.
Perfect pour now.
Yeah.
Perfect pour.
Yeah, it's like a draft beer.
Draft.
Always remember, chat, to replace your gaskets. Otherwise, it'll leak. Trust me, I worked at Jiffy Lube for like 2 weeks, but yeah, one
like
at
a
the
little
top.
rubber one at the top right there.
Yeah, but your oil filters should always come with a new one, so it should be fine. I'm gonna pop those back on right now.
We got one right there. We got a really small one up top.
Wow.
Awesome.
Good to go. These little pod filters are really weird. European style. this back in, pop in the drain plug, and fill this hoe up.
Yeah. Got the drain plug back in.
Yeah. This is the handiest tool I've ever gotten.
Yeah.
Ever.
Give it a little hand tighten on there.
Okay, that hose stripped. But
Damn, really? Did that just happen?
maybe.
That's the first drain plug I've ever actually seen get stripped in person.
Yeah, me too.
Wow. That was way too easy.
I'm no mechanic. Something tells me that was it. So let's go get a new drain plug. We are back with the fresh boy. Getting ready to toss it in and see if it works. Praying.
All right, so the new drain plug did, in fact, work. Fill it up, and we're done. Well, that's what a nice
long neck.
look like that.
Get that in ya.
All right, future me, we finished up the oil change. The next one will be at 197. We're getting close to 200 club, man. We're gonna get this back on the ground and see if we can tackle that grounding issue. Let's get it. All right, so the ground I used for the cab lights is right behind this little visor. So we're gonna pop this out. And I think it should be right behind this visor, or it's gonna be behind this trim piece, but we'll see here in just a second. So I'm gonna put a screw back up in here, see if I can get it to ground like it's supposed to. All right, that's definitely on the metal. Let's see.
I'm actually pulling my positive from the back of this headlight. So the headlight's on, which means that copper is touching, which means those are getting the positive for sure. But as you can see, they're not on. I started peeling back some of this. All of this is daisy chained, and then it can only be one of two things: the ground right here or the positive on the back of the headlight. And I was messing with this, and I think it had just gotten cardboard or something in it, because if you look up here, now they're on.
So I got that fixed. I just gotta put back this trim and we will be set.
Okay. Well, I gotta get back to how it's recording.
All right, boys, and just like that, we are back in business. Ryan has left an absolute mess of garage number 2. I don't think he's cleaned up Danny's garage yet, and it's been probably a month since the transmission has gone back in. So I'm gonna have to get his ass clean this up ASAP before that wind goes on.
All right, y'all, well, that is gonna be it for tonight. We got a photo shoot for the leave tomorrow morning around like lunch. So I will see y'all then. Have a good night. Catch you in the morning.
What is going on, everybody? It is the next morning. We are on the way to the shoot. Stopped and grabbed a white chocolate mocha from Caribou and a couple of cake pops. Let's get it. I will see y'all at the shoot. We are out here at the shooting spot. Got Ryan's car, Colin, Allie, Danny, and Felipa's car. We'll get a little walk around of each, but I wanted to show you guys how the wing came out. Did y'all get it installed last night?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Well, here's the car.
Are you gonna get a wing too?
Yeah.
Yo, that looks really good, dude. That looks really good. Obviously, the paint is much newer than what's on the car, but 5-footer, 5 feet away, it looks great, dude. Ryan, it looks good, dude. Are you happy with it? Pretty swag? Pretty swag money?
In it on accident.
Huh?
When we were putting it on, I accidentally put a fingerprint in it.
Yeah, where is it?
You can't really see it. Sun and the clouds.
Yeah.
Well, you can kind of see it. There's like 3 of them. See?
Nah, dude, I
can
can't
feel
even,
it.
I can't even see
I
it.
can't see it. I look from here.
Dude, you'll be fine. Looks good, though.
Dude, it's
Yeah.
good. Dude, you're gonna be able to see it in Riverside. I'm in
yeah.
Riverside, by the way. No,
Oh,
I'm not.
nice.
I didn't know. I'm not.
Yeah, anybody catch a car at Riverside, right? A Collins LS out here. Love it, dude. Love it. Hey,
Hi.
how you doing, dude?
Oh, you know,
Chilling?
chilling.
Danny over here. Got the car all cleaned up. I don't know if y'all have seen the roof box on it yet, but I love this SUV, dude. What do you guys think?
Would you guys ever build a mid-size, smaller SUV like this? It's expensive, but I absolutely would.
Lucas over here working the magic with the camera. I don't know if y'all have seen Felipa's car. Her wheels came out awesome on this thing, dude.
Taking a break right now, sitting in the warm. Everybody's getting set up for some more shots over there. Colin's pulling up. By the way, his car is set up for 19, so don't clown him too hard because he's on the 18s.
Yo,
That should look whack.
Oh yeah?
Whack.
The front fairing is kind of whack. But dude, it's not set up for 18s.
Facelift 430 all the way.
We are currently on the way to get some Mexican ice cream to finish off the evening. And we got a little cruise going, which is so nice. Haven't cruised with anybody in forever, so I'll catch y'all when we get there.
Nice little lineup here at the Mexican ice cream place, and this will be Ali's spot right here. Tiny ass parking spot for the Mini.
I've only had Mexican ice cream a handful of times, and it's only been out of like packaging, so I'm super excited to try like fresh Mexican ice cream. So
I'm getting chocolate.
chocolate. What would you say the best
The chocolate
best
has
one would
like
be?
chocolate shavings in it.
Okay.
But it's like more water-based, I feel.
Okay.
Some of them. So if you get like Oreo flavored ice cream, it's not gonna be that great.
I'm excited, dude.
Yeah.
The Mexican ice cream, I don't know how to explain it. Like, first of all, there's like real fruit in it sometimes. Like, it's a lot thicker, the consistency. It's really good. So we'll see here in a minute when everybody gets everything. All right, I got a crazy corn bag with incognito Doritos. It's like a bucket of street corn with Doritos in it.
It's very good. Colin got fried plantains and some other, what was it called? Like a
It's
Dorito
a crazy bag.
Crazy bag.
But it's interesting.
Yeah. Danny, what'd you get?
Skittles, pretty good.
Yeah.
Large horchata.
Yeah. What is this? What did you get?
Mango nada.
Mango nada.
Yeah.
Hey, can you help us out? What is in this?
There's mango ice cream, chamoy sauce, some tahini, and mango chunks.
It looks good. It seems like a Mexican candy, but like with fresh fruit.
This is the candy
that's
right
the
here.
candy.
Nice.